Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Setup YouTube channel. Your go-to place for coding solutions made super simple. In today's video, we are going to fix a very common and frustrating error in React project. That is just like if we are going to run your React app using npm start, you ever see error like that React script is not recognized as an internal and external command, operable program or batch file. So if you ever tried running npm start and see this error, don't worry, by the end of this video you will understand exactly why it happened and how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. Alright, here is the error. React script is not recognized as an internal or external command. So what's actually happening here? Actually, React app created with create React app rely on a tool called React scripts. It handles all the behind the scene work like running the development server, building your app, etc. When this error shows up, it simply means that React script is missing or not installed properly. So the step one is go to your project folder. So actually I am in my project folder. Make sure you are inside your React project directory. For example, I am in a C user. This is my project directory. So make sure you are right in your project folder. And step two is install dependencies. So run the following command. So I will provide all the commands in the description. You can copy from there and paste without any hesitation. So just write npm install. This will install everything listed in your package.json including React script. So this is my package.json. So it will reinstall all the dependencies in my project and in my package.json. So after running this command, you can see that packages are looking for funding. So you can run this command. This is the best practice and recommended. So I'll copy this command and npm autofix force by control v pasting. So and simply hit the enter. So it will install all the remaining libraries and packages for me. So if everything went well, so you can run this command npm start. So if everything went well, your React app should start on open in the browser at localhost like your port like 3000, but actually this will not work for us. Error still shows up, don't worry and try this command. I am just going to paste it. So after deleting the node modules and package.json, so we have to clear the npm cache by this command. So here you can see npm recommended protection is disabled. So after that we have to reinstall the everything like our package and our modules. So for that I will, so here you can see our node module folder has been deleted. So for that we have to reinstall the everything by this command npm install. So it will install the everything from fresh. So after reinstalling the everything like npm install, you can see like your packages are looking for the funding. Npm run fund this command. So it will fund all the packages through npm. So after that we have to just run our project using npm start. But if it's still having this error like React script is not recognized as an internal and external error, you just have to open your package.json and just locate React scripts version that in my case and most of your case is like written like that 0.0.0. so we have to correct it and install the correct version of React scripts. So run this command to install proper stable version. So I will paste this command and it will change the React scripts version from 0.0.0 to 5.0.1. so after that we will see what happened next. And here you can see our React script version has been changed from 0.0.0 to 5.0.1. so this means our React app will run smoothly without any error. So for that we just have to run the last command, that is npm start, and hit the enter. So it will run our React app on localhost, that port 3000. So let's see, it will run our project. You can see, and there you go, your project should be and running. If this video helped you fix the error, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Tech Setup for more easy coding tutorials. And if you are still stuck, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. And I have give all the commands in the description, you can check from there. So thanks for watching, and as always we are good to go, and I will see you in the next video.